Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to start with a clean, current session. Log into the Threads account you want to deactivate and make sure the app is updated. Once done, request or download your data archive if you want posts or contacts saved. Make sure linked Instagram accounts and any third-party logins are noted. You may lose access after deactivation. Now open your Threads profile, then tap the three-line menu to access settings so you can begin the deactivation flow immediately. You'll now follow the app's deactivation prompt step by step. Navigate to Settings, then Account, and select Deactivate or Delete depending on wording. Read the consequences carefully: what stays, what is removed, and how long the hold period lasts. Enter your password and complete any 2FA checks. This verifies you and prevents accidental locks. After you confirm, the app may ask one final reason for leaving. Proceed only when you're sure, because this begins the platform's removal process. Complete the process by confirming any on-screen prompts and watching for a confirmation email that explains the retention or grace period. Once done, make sure to sign out of all devices. If you need to reverse deactivation, sign back in within the specified window to reactivate. If you don't receive options or the deactivate button is missing, clear the app cache, update, or reinstall the app and try again. If that fails, contact support through Instagram/Threads, help to resolve accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.